Angazi Sizani, is it me? Is it me or Unkosi is falling in love with Upalisa because of Palisa's vulnerable situation right now? Why would he then send, if he's not, why would he then send a voice note saying, angazi ukuthi kuzenzakalani if ngilahlekelwa wena ngilahlekelwa omunye umuntu that I care about? Why is he overthinking about her? Why is he feeling that he has got a responsibility kana or one attender to make sure Palisa is okay? Why does he feel that he is responsible for Palisa's wrong decisions and wrongdoing? Why does he feel that he needs to be next to her so much so that he needs to protect her and make sure with Yena uride? He cannot even sleep, start thinking of, guys, am I seeing things? Can somebody just tell me if I'm seeing things or it is what it is? What if I'm gonna because this to me looks like love. Or this to me looks like companionship. I don't know. But you can tell me. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, you get to be reviewing House of Zwide. Ndimadekwana sanibonani abusheni molweni minjani ivukile hingongwina so namuhla kano kwa hina wa House of Zwide hikuma kurusula thamsekangi kahle looking at the fact that Carter has woken up but inkinga ukuthi le minion ka Ezekiel when he got there he realized ukuthi akhona amaphoyisa emnyango so it was hard, it was impossible for him to go in unless he goes through the window and asazi ukuthi which window because khona ama-butler so abort mission because akungeneki uthi mathi uyangena watholakala unese ephuma wajika wabheka ibonda athi then amaphoyisa aphuma hlala ngaphandle so the mission is going to be really impossible for him to go in through. Now, on that very same note, however, some interesting news or rather nice news or happiness happened to Ezekiel when he realized ukuthi uKhata his state isimo sakhe sesishintshile. He has woken up but akasakhumbuli so atigena yena uzohamba isibhedlele just to duduza and be a good member of community and abonise ukuthi unendaba, not that unendaba but just to find out from the horse's mouth ukuthi kwenzala nezikhipha boma size what so that he would know whether to kill or not to kill. Now he goes there and then go fitla ha ke tse ke nurse or ke mang or ke doctor o le a fitlang wa ba address mo le wa bolela mama Mahlangu gore bona mama Mahlangu Khatha utsuhile but this happens to patients that have suffered the kind of kingi because uthuntsiwe yeah the trauma or whatever ha ke itse gore ke ka maina a teng a sekgowa a bookelo so they can wake up but yena mmele wa gae o tsuhile mara ngqondo ya hae santsane e robetse so go a kgonagala gore ha tswa agano like akasibulele like ha itse next ha itse motho ha itse eng kore it's gonna take time for him to come back through and then mama Hlangu was like okay gora gore he highly o wa ka ngwana best believe utla tsoga and utla ba sharp ke tla rapela utla ba sharp and not Khatha Fundisi Ezekiel was there to say, you know what, rena ra dumela utla ba sharp. Right, but to me it was not right because he was there to get that information, which now changes everything because if utsuhile and ha gopole ha ona gore akaba witness ya Isaac. But Mina on the other hand knowing uKhatha lenjale ingavuka ithule izenzo ngathi ayazi next kanti iphile saka. Well, that's just me. But anyway, the doctor says that the body is awake, but the mind is still sleeping. So, on the other hand, and other depressing news is that usogalezwe ugogo wakhe uthi ufuna ama renovation wamthumela quotation engango 100,000 and then usoka said found another company that can do a counter offer of the same things that the ugogo wants. And then wafonela ugogo while he was trying to have lunch with his wife to be, and then ati wife akahamba ubheka ukudla so that azokhona ukuphendula ifone waphendula ifone ugogo wathi bathi bafuna 100,000. Something tells me ugogo is lying. Something tells me Leo 100,000, it's something that ugogo is sucking because she wants the money. And iwesi-ke mntasekhaya akafuni amchade lo Mampho lo. Ufuna achade intombazana yasemakhaya la buya khona ngasigudini sangakibo. That's the bottom line. So whatever it takes, because and as for Soka believes that ugogo wankhulisha ngena next, so it's my time to black tax send back home. Yeah. Anywho, so Maria is having a conversation with Mampho, and Mampho is just explaining how Soka would want to spend 100,000 for grandmother for our renovations. And Maria Arno Ladapa, you need to know for whatever amount is spent in that household also affects you. So in Umekani shows Jormonawano how to spend a charity that you guys don't have, because remember at the end of the day that money is yours, because uchate naye andithi ewe shukuthi nawe ngeyakho le mali. So you have to make a means ukuthi nje akanoyithatha. Well, it looks like things between Mampho and namzala wawe, things they're okay. Umzala ungathi bayaxolelana manje, and then things looks like they're going to be okay, and then Mampho says okay, I understand. So now everything is imengomomo ke siyachatisa ke ngoku. Ezekiel at some point he was very furious ukuthi why does it happen, why is Ukata still alive? But then now that he cannot think, he cannot do anything ngengqondo yakhe, it probably would put his mind at ease. I don't think ukuthi uzoqhubeka athi ufuna ambulale or anything. Anyway, Mampho is gloating around about her wedding, and we are all invited. On the 17th of April, Mampho says it's her wedding day. We have to be glued to the screen. Sibone ukuthi umshado wakhe lenyalo la haya indumo zulu yomshado. Because she called the entire collective to say you are all invited. She shared the theme and everybody was just looking while she is asking people. They cannot allude on this matter because they are not invited. Pearl will be singing, and it looks like it's gonna be nice because what else? Pearl was singing in Mulifa's wedding, so now she says if she did sing nicely Ngangale, then she can sing this side. And Soka was worried about the cost. She says she was going to cover the cost. I don't see it happening. No, that's just me. I don't see it happening. I just see her blackmailing Usoga to pay the cost for Upel. Why am I saying Palis? For Upel to come and sing on her wedding day. But again, sizamthini because uyachada ke ugeli, and at the end of the day uyenza example ati people should come, maybe they bangatwa bodoba nyana. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you on my next clip. Please remember to subscribe and give this video a big